In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group emails by conversation in Outlook. If your inbox feels cluttered, grouping by conversation is a simple way to keep all replies and forwards from the same thread neatly stacked together so you can scan one storyline instead of juggling scattered messages. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load your mail. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so Outlook can pull in your messages. Once you're looking at your inbox, we'll make a quick change to your view settings. Look toward the top of the Outlook window and click the View tab, then choose View Settings. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may open a dedicated settings window or a right-side pane. If you see a settings area with categories, that's perfect. Keep going. You're looking for the section where mail layout options live. In the settings, select Mail, then choose Layout. This is where Outlook controls how your messages are organized and displayed. Under the Message Organization section, find the option labeled Group Items by Conversation and select it. The moment you turn this on, Outlook will start stacking related emails into expandable threads, making it easier to follow the back and forth without hunting across your inbox. Nothing is deleted or moved. It's simply a smarter view of the same messages. Next, choose your preferred reading order. You can set Newest on top if you like the most recent reply at the top of each conversation, or Newest on bottom if you prefer reading from oldest to newest, like a chronological story. There's no right answer here. Pick what feels most natural for how you read and reply. When you're happy with the setup, click Save at the bottom of the settings pane. Your inbox should immediately reorganize. You'll notice conversations you can expand or collapse. Click the arrow to open a thread and see every message in order. Searching still works the same, and results will highlight the conversations that match your query. If you ever want to adjust the order or turn conversation view off, just return to the same settings area and change the options. Depending on your Outlook version, the change may apply to the current folder or more broadly, so repeat it for other folders if needed. That's it. Your inbox is cleaner, conversations are easier to follow, and you'll spend less time scrolling. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Outlook.